Alright, the intention is to make a hack and slash game in the Unreal Engine. So what we need to do that is the Unreal Engine. So let's start off small. We need these two thingies. And that one is a zip file with the source code of the Unreal Engine, and the other one is the installation of the Visual Studio. To get the zip file, you go to GitHub and sign in GitHub. Right, logged in, and then you go to this address, Unreal Engine. When you go there before you logged into GitHub and before you are friends with Epic Games, then you get an error message that you have no access to this page. So make sure that you are, logged into GitHub and that you are friends somehow. I don't know what I did. They have to verify you in some way. I'm not even sure if they do it anymore, but yeah, earlier on you had to be verified by Epic Games to see this. And we are on the 425.1, and you can click on clone or download zip file. And then it will download this one. What's in there? A whole bunch of shit. So, and you will unpack this into a folder. Let me quickly close my GitHub. Bye bye GitHub. You will unpack this into a folder. Easy enough. And then let's see what's in there. Fair enough. So there are two things you need to do, like set it up and generate project files. I'm not sure at which step it wants you to have Visual Studio. So we will, before we do anything in that folder, install Visual Studio. And that'll look like that. New community version is for free. And then you will select desktop development and game development, and that's that. Yeah, we need some extra stuff. I'm gonna roll out all this stuff that I have installed, so you can, see what you need. Right? I'm not sure it's at some point when you install the engine, it asks you for stuff. If it doesn't install the engine, then you need to enable one of these things, and it will be fine when it works. So showed it to you. Let's get out of here. Then double click the setup button. This will download a whole bunch of stuff. So Mercury, hey, good. I'm restarting, dude. Square one. I want to make a tutorial stream thingy that's continuously till the game is done. So you'll do the setup button. A little black window will open and it will download a whole bunch of new stuff. When that's done, you will generate the project files, and that's when your folder looks differently. When your folder looks like, no, that's not the one. Looks like this, with a whole bunch of new stuff, and this one. This is your solution for the Visual Studio. When you set up everything correctly, then your Visual Studio will open up. With the Unreal Engine. We do it like this we download the code and we do not install the Unreal Engine via the Epic launcher, because that's the whole selling point of the Unreal Engine, that it comes in source code form that you do not like. If you do not like anything about the engine, you can change it. Everything. Like everything. That's the good point. Also, the good part. Also the launcher version of the Unreal Engine misses some stuff, like when you want to do network, for instance, and you want to do like a multiplayer game or something. Then yeah, if you want to have dedicated servers, you're kind of screwed with that. So yeah, that's the way to go. We'll open it up, and luckily I've done all these things because they take ages. So if you want to set up the Unreal Engine, make sure that you have a day. So if my computer decides to show me stuff, alright, cool. And then we will wait for the computer to get itself together. Close that, we don't need that. We'll make sure that we are on development editor, 64-bit. And then we will right click on the Unreal Engine and build. I will not do that because I could do that because no. That's not take any risks, because that is potentially killing my rig for, I don't know, 3 hours, 4 hours. I'm not rebuilding though, it should work. Fuck it. You will build the engine and that will, make out of all the source code, it will build the editor so you can use it. So there's that. Once we're done here, we do not need that folder anymore, except for we need to start up the Unreal Engine. Let's see, editor. Where is editor? Unreal editor. No. UE4 editor. Executable. Where is it? Where's my shit? Where's my shit? Okay. Ah, look at you. Look at you. Film, television, no, game. We wanna create a game. Next game. Blank. Wait a minute. Blank, yeah. Code, right? We want it in code, not blueprints. Because blueprints are, see, no. No. Ray tracing disabled? Yeah, I cannot enable ray tracing because I don't have an RTX something, so it's disabled, yeah. Desktop console without starter content. We don't need any of that shit. And that's not. Where is my stuff? Where's my shit? Okay, and it's called HS1. And why is this thing still computing stuff? It's look at this. Compiling shaders. Why? Why on earth? You did this 3 times now. God damn it. HS_1 in C. Okay, create the project. Good. Dismiss your shit. Oh, it's doing a thing. Look at him go. Look at it go! Good. 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 Fine. So, code project. And now we are all set up and we can start developing the game. Whatever it is we wanna do. And we wanna do a hack and slash game. Because who doesn't like booty and violence, huh? I do. So there's all that shit we don't need. And source code. And there's nothing in there yet. So that's that. Okay, we closed the engine so we don't accidentally rebuild the engine. Because that's the thing that happened before. Okay. Did I open it up twice now? No. Okay, let's build it. Run, my minion. The editor has a game mode? Wait a minute. What? No. The game mode of the game, you know? I don't know if the editor has a game mode. Maybe it's a skin or something that it puts everything in pastel or something. I don't know. If it's not out there yet, it's out there now. What do you call me? Pink skin dude, what? For the Horde. Uh-oh, dangerous territory, dude. You're a homophobe! Don't, these are very evil words. I just want to make video games. Free Harambe, yeah, what? Okay, building 7 actions. Please save me from this conversation. Serious business? Nah, I haven't even started yet because everything takes ages to set up. Once we get set up, then the serious business will be, you know, a beautiful young lady with chainsaws for hands will fuck up some evil bug monsters in a very bloody fashion. That's what I want to do. Painted it red. Right? That's what I thought. Well, there are ways to get it out there, so go ahead, knock yourself out, make your tentacle porn game, dude. Why not? The sky's the limit. And we are finished. Dwarf Fortress clone. Don't clone anything, do your own shit. this aspect of this game, and I make my own shit. And I make it all work together because I'm awesome. Yeah, I know Dwarf Fortress. I know. And oh, we have a starter. We have a starter level. That's cool. Without starter content.
Very interesting.